Hey there my viewers, welcome back to another episode of our channel and nice to see you again. So in this video we are Guess the Flags part 2, and if you have not seen the part 1 yet, then check the link in the description box. So without any further delay, let's proceed. Here is the scoreboard. If your score is between 1 to 5, then you need to focus on the flag. And if your score is between 6 to 12, then well done, keep that up. And if your score is between 13 to 19, you're amazing and awesome. And if your score is exact 20, then you are our geography whiz. So, without any further delay, let's see all the 20 flags. And if you are able to guess them correctly, then well done, you are our geography whiz. So, flag number 1. The options: Pakistan, India and Israel. What country flag is this? It's Israel. Flag number 2. What country flag is this? England, Oman and Egypt. What do you think will be the answer? Lock in, because the answer is England. Question 3. What flag is this? France, Lebanon or Nepal? Time's up. It's Lebanon. Question number 4. What country flag is this? Peru, Mongolia or India? Time's up. It's Peru. What do you call this flag? Rome, Bangladesh or Pakistan? It's very easy. Time's up. It's Pakistan. Flag number 6. Canada, Czech or Japan? It's Canada. Flag number 7. What country flag is this? Serbia, Indonesia, Jamaica? It's Serbia. What country flag is this? Ghana, Palestine or Portugal? And time's up. It's Palestine. Flag number 9. What country flag is this? Is it Scotland, Sweden or South Korea? It's South Korea. Flag number 10. What do you call this flag? Is it Jordan, Jamaica or Ireland? Time's up. The correct answer is Jamaica. What flag is this? Is it Mongolia, China or Ireland? Time's up. It's China. So, how are you doing? Tell me your score in the comments. Next flag. What flag is this? Is it Russia, Argentina or Malaysia? Time's up. It's Malaysia. Flag number 13. Mexico, Poland or England? What do you think will be the answer? It's Mexico. Flag number 14. What flag is this? Is it Ethiopia, Belgium or Thailand? Lock in your answers. It's Thailand. So, how many of my viewers have ever been to Thailand? If you have been to the Thailand, then comment, yes I have. And we will reply by a heart emoji. Flag number 15. What flag is this? Is it Cuba, Myanmar or Brazil? Time's up. It's Cuba. Flag number 16. What country flag is this? Is it Germany, India or France? Lock in your answers. It's France. Flag number 17. What flag is this? Is it Taiwan, Slovenia or China? Let's see if you can guess this right. It's Slovenia, so did you guess it right? What flag is this? Is it Greece, Nepal, or Oman? Your timer is gone. The correct answer is Greece. Here is the next flag. Options: Somalia, Ukraine, or Sudan. Time's up. The correct answer is Somalia. Our last flag. Options are Laos, Nigeria, or Myanmar. Time's up. What do you think will be the answer? Lock in answers because it will be Myanmar. What country flag is this? We are not going to tell this name of the flag. So all you need to do is open the comment section box and type this flag's name. And we'll verify if your answer is correct or incorrect. Thank you for watching this video. And if you have not seen the part 1, then we have the link of that video in the description box. Make sure you check it. And also stay tuned for more flag videos. See ya in the next vid. Bye bye.